This trail camera has caught everything from neighborhood cats to trash pandas to deer and a murder of crows. Happened right here. Everything likes to migrate to our little watering hole back here, but this camera has been really great. This thing has a lot of storage. It actually comes with a SD card. It holds about 64 gigabytes of data on it. It's motion activated, so you can set it to capture 10 seconds of footage or up to 10 minutes of footage. There's a lot of options in between for you to choose. It does not come with batteries. It is battery operated. It takes 8 AA batteries. It has these little latches here on the side, and you can open it up. This is also how you would set it up here. You can turn it on, turn it off. This is where your batteries go. Nice and protected and weatherproof for when you have it out in all the weather. So to get the video off of this, you could either take the SD card out, you could plug in a USB-C cord directly to your phone or to your computer, or it has Bluetooth. So you have to get within Bluetooth range. So it's super easy to download straight to your phone. That's probably the easiest way we found to get your footage off. This actually comes with a strap or a mount, and you could choose whichever one you want to attach to your tree. We actually chose to use the mount. We just screwed it directly into the tree, and now you can just set the camera right on that little bolt and screw it right on the top. This is a really great trail camera for the price. I was hoping to catch a lot more deer. It's starting to cool off now, so hopefully we're about to see a lot more deer moving through here. Overall, I think this is a really great value for the price for this trail camera, and I'm very happy with it. If you're interested in getting yourself one of these trail cameras, I'm going to put the link for this one down in the description below.